What's going on, people? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video. Now, if you're looking for a gaming laptop, most likely you're going to get a laptop that's all singing and dancing with RGB lights everywhere and big logos, big vents and all that kind of stuff, bulky at that as well. But what happens when you want something that's still a gaming laptop but more understated, that you can still take it to a business meeting without worrying about getting the looks or people thinking, oh, he's this gamer? Well, this is what this video is about. Before we begin though, if this is your first time around here, please do subscribe, smash the like button, share it as well, it might help someone else, and hit the bell notification because every time I upload a new video, you can get notified, or if you like a video like this. Let's get on with it. This is the new Acer Predator Triton 500 SE, and as the name suggests, this is the special edition Triton 500 that's packing a lot of grunt inside whilst looking elegant and low-key. It's the kind of laptop that you get when you've grown out of all the RGB gaming laptop that looks all singing and dancing, but you're still a gamer, but also need to attend a business. You need to attend business meetings using the same laptop. It's also pretty thin at 19.9 millimeters, and it doesn't weigh too much on the back to carry for a gaming laptop. So, what are the specs? It has an all-metal chassis and it feels pretty solid, and I also like the minimalist look with the logo placed on the top corner of the lid. And if there's anything that shows it's a gaming laptop, it will beat those heat dissipation vents that's still gamer-centric, but it's still not loud in your face. It has a 16-inch display with 87% screen-to-body ratio, and you have multiple panel options available, including a 165Hz WQXGA mini LED panel with 1250 peak brightness and 100% coverage of DCI-P3 and sRGB color gamuts. Or you can opt for a 240Hz WQXGA IPS polar black panel, and that comes with 3 milliseconds response time and NVIDIA G-Sync. For ports, you have a range of USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, including dual Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports, which supports DisplayPort, and you also get SD 7.0 card reader and up to 4TB of PCIe Gen 4 storage. The Triton 500 SE is a true predator and is spec'd to play AAA games all day long without hiccups. It's powered by up to an 11th gen Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card, and up to 64GB of 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM. And Acer says it will deliver up to 12 hours of battery life, but we'll put that to test when we actually have one in at a later date for review. And it also uses NVIDIA Advanced Optimus technology. For cooling, the Triton 500 SE uses Acer's Vortex Flow cooling design, featuring a triple fan cooling system, including a 5th generation custom engineered Aeroblade 3D fan. You have 5 dedicated heat pipes for the CPU and GPU, plus strategically placed intake and exhaust vents that continually draws in cold air and expels hot air. For connectivity, he has Intel Killer E3100G Ethernet controller. It has Killer Wi-Fi AX1650i and Control Center 2.0, which provides you with low latency and reliable connectivity for when you're gaming online. Just like we've become accustomed to, we have Predator Sense, which allows gamers to monitor things like their system, overclock the computer's GPU, and adjust fan speed with different modes such as quiet, extreme, or turbo. So that's it for the Predator Triton 500 SE. As always, this is just an overview of the laptop, just to let you guys become aware of what this laptop is. But hopefully we'll get one in to actually review and actually see the gaming and how it handles everything that they've said in the specifications. In the meantime, guys, as always, if you have any questions, drop them below, and hopefully we'll get one in to actually do that review. If this is your first time on the channel, please do subscribe, smash the like button, share it as well, and as always, hit that bell notification so you get notified if you want more videos like this in your inbox. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.